So here's Obimy app. A lot of people are asking how this app actually works and what is the hype about. I will try to do a quick overview just to give you an idea of the app and the features. So this app is called as a world's first sensager, meaning you don't only send texts or images, you actually send senses. So you create your account with a phone number, then you can add your friends just by adding your and syncing your contacts. This is how you can add friends. You can also share your link, and this is how it works. It's not possible to add friends just by searching the app, or like you can do it on Instagram, because it's just by syncing your contacts. That's basically how you add friends. Then this is your avatar, this is your mood, which you can share with your friends. So you can just tap share your mood. Okay, I'm feeling good. Okay. Uh, in the history timeline, if you swipe to the left, you will see history of your senses, or like these actions you sent with your friend. So that's basically your timeline, but let's go to the main feature. So after you added a friend, by the way, you can add it, you can rename, delete your friends, but after you add it, you just go to the friend and then you tap on friend's avatar, and then you can just send this kind of senses. And my phone sometimes vibrates to it, and there are different vibration patterns. Basically you just have all these different emotions, like there are warm, playful, and passion emotions, like low pinch, kiss, hug, touch, lick, playful, bite, push, slap, curse, tickle, passion emotion, French kiss, punch. So something like that. But to get some additional emotions and senses, you will need to upgrade in the app. That's basically the idea, and then your friend will receive that as a notification, or it will appear in the app. And it's kind of really fun. It sounds like what's fun about it, but that's actually, for some people it's very creative, because you're not sending like some very boring same text messages. You just send in these senses. This is much more creative for some people than sending a picture or sending a text or something like that. So you just have this Obimy app, and you have notifications that someone kind of virtually kissed you or hugged you, and then you just open that, and you see that notification. So there is definitely something there in this niche of apps. And a lot of people, especially if you're in distance relationships, sometimes it's good to have long conversations on the phone or something like that, but sometimes it's just good to know that someone is thinking about you, or just cares about you, and just sends you a little touch on this app. In some situations, not all the times, of course. And I don't know if it actually sends vibrations. Sometimes it does. I think it's a good idea to have these vibrations working, because imagine, even if you don't receive notification, like a standard notification, your phone starts vibrating, and this is the way you kind of feel that someone is caring about you. And then here you can see all the timeline, all the what your friends sent to you. You can also just tap on the front icon, double tap, and this is the way to request a mood. So this is what you can do. So that's that. These are the main features, basically. So these things are called senses, and that's why this app is called Sensager, because you're not sending text or audio messages or video messages, you're just sending these senses. I think it's a huge potential. You can develop much more features. And then here you have settings. And then here's your profile. You can change your name, you can change your birth, you can delete your account right from the app. You can reach out to support here. And yes, there is no upgrade. It's actually free to use for these main features. Only if you want to unlock additional packs, you need to pay in the app, but it's just 1.99 one-time payment, so it's not a monthly subscription, so you can just get that. So something around it. So hope this is helpful. Another cool feature is that you can see steps in the top left. So when you create an account, you give access to your health data on Apple, and then your steps are tracked. Another cool feature, but it works only if you have your like Apple Watch or some other like smartwatch device, and then you can also track your heartbeat. So this is like super popular feature in this app, because like if you added your partner or friend, sometimes it's super interesting to see the heartbeat. And if someone sends you these touches and senses, like how it's interesting just to see in the app. So yeah, it's a very popular feature. But again, for majority of people it doesn't work. It's not a bug. It's just you need to have Apple Watch or smartwatch connected via Bluetooth, and then it will work. So that's basically it. That's the overview. I hope you like it. Please put some likes if you do, and subscribe to my channel.